DebtTrader is the most effective way to buy, sell, and manage debt portfolios, allowing users to transact in a secure, transparent online marketplace. DebtTrader's tools save our customers time and money. And what's even better, it's completely free to get started. So how does DebtTrader help debt buyers make better purchasing decisions? As a buyer, you know that access to a wider selection of performing and non-performing portfolios dramatically increases your ability to acquire the best deals. DebtTrader has the largest selection of fresh and warehoused portfolios available. Our unique online marketplace gives you the power to find the exact portfolio you want, with a complete stratification report, downloadable masked files, and liquidation score. It's secure, easy to use, and saves you the overhead of a lengthy search. There are 4 basic steps to buying on DebtTrader. First, easily identify the portfolios that meet your investment criteria using DebtTrader's advanced filtering tools. Second, place your bid offering, either as a one-time bid or with a forward flow commitment. Third, the portfolio is screened by DebtTrader to identify and remove accounts belonging to deceased customers or those in the process of bankruptcy. And finally, execute the purchase agreement and confirm funding, all electronically. Once the seller confirms accurate funding, you'll be able to download a final unmasked version of the portfolio you've purchased. DebtTrader for buyers is quick and easy, dramatically reducing your costs of acquisition. What can DebtTrader do for sellers looking to liquidate their portfolios? To sell debt, you need buyers. With DebtTrader Online Marketplace, you can instantly find certified buyers, all competing for your portfolios. More certified buyers competing means you can sell your portfolios quickly and at the best price. There are 4 simple steps to selling on DebtTrader. First, upload your portfolio to DebtTrader securely and watch the largest network of certified buyers review and bid. Our unique online marketplace gives buyers the ability to price the file accurately because they have access to a complete stratification report and downloadable masked files. Second, choose the winning bid from a selection of long-term and short-term commitments by certified buyers. Third, your portfolio is screened by DebtTrader to identify and remove accounts belonging to deceased customers, or optionally those in the process of bankruptcy, significantly reducing post-sale buybacks. And finally, execute the purchase agreement electronically and confirm accurate funding. Once funding is confirmed, DebtTrader provides the final unmasked file to the winning buyer. With DebtTrader, sellers can instantly find certified buyers looking for portfolios like yours. It's quick, easy, and profitable. Whether you're a buyer or seller, MarketView's DebtTrader gives you the tools you need to see the entire market. It's an incredible advantage, empowering you to maximize your liquidation and make better decisions. The only way to buy and sell debt is DebtTrader. We'd love to speak with you about what DebtTrader can do for your business. To set up a demo, call us at 1-855-658-8439 or visit us online at debttrader.com.